Hello everyone. As a part of the video series on basic geometrical ideas, in this video we will solve a few practice sums on angles. Let's solve the first one. Name any 5 angles from the adjacent figure. Also name a point in the interior of angle AEC, a point in the exterior of angle AEB, and a point on the angle DEC. So let's look at the angles. So this is one angle, this is another angle, and this is third angle. I can see directly these 3 angles. In addition, I can have this as one more angle, and I can have this as the 5th angle. So I can write these angles. So these are the 5 angles in the figure. Now let's do the second one. Second A point in the interior of angle AEC. So AEC, interior of angle AEC, I can see this point B. So the answer is point B. A point in the exterior of angle AEB. AEB. So this point, these two, both the points are in the exterior of angle AEB. So the answer is and the last one is a point on angle DEC. DEC, point on this angle. On this angle, all these points D, E and C, all of them are on the angle. So what we can write is point D, E and C, they are all on the angle. Let's solve the next one. Draw rough diagrams of 2 angles such that they have, so we'll solve one by one, 1 point in common. Let's say 1 point in common. So let's draw an angle. And now I'll draw a parallel arm. I'll draw such parallel arm. So my one angle is, let's say AOB, and the second one's CPD, and the ray CP and OB, they intersect, let's say in point E. So that way, because AO is parallel to CP and OB is parallel to DP, these rays are not going to meet again. So there is only one point which is going to be common is E. I can do this other way also. If I draw 2 intersecting lines, they make actually 4 angles. So let's say this is A, this is B. Now in this case also, if I talk about angle AOB and angle COD, these 2 angles, then the only common point is O, which is the vertex. So there are 2 ways I can represent this. Let's do the second one, 2 points in common. So again I have one angle. And I have second angle. Now here angle AOB and angle CPD. CP cuts both these arms and DP and OB are parallel, so they are not going to meet again. So only common points are E and F here. These 2. I can draw this in different fashion as well. Now here I draw one angle this side and the second angle like this. So it is AOB and CPD. And here E and F. Now here I have taken care that OB and CP are parallel and OA and DP are parallel. That way they are not going to intersect in any other points. So only 2 points which they intersect is E and F. Let's do the third one. In the third one, again I will have one angle . So I have AOB and CPD. Here DP and AO are parallel, so they are not going to cut each other. But CP is cutting AO and OB, so point E and F, and DP is cutting ray OB at point G. So we have 3 points in common and not more than 3, only 3. So that's the third one. Let's do the fourth one. This one is very easy because we have 2 rays of one angle and 2 rays of second angle, and they cut each other. CP cuts both OA-OB and DP cuts both OA-OB, giving us 4 intersecting points. And the last one, we want one ray in common. So I have A, OB, and the second angle should have one ray in common, so I can have BOC, and OB is a common ray between these 2 angles. That's how I can draw all these 5 situations. It's very important to understand the parallel lines here because parallel lines don't intersect each other, and that helps us to get only exact number of common points. If I want 2, I will only get 2. If I want 3, I will only get 3 if I take into consideration the parallel lines. I am sure you have liked the video. Hit the like button and leave your views in the comments section below. Do watch our other videos on this topic. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. You may also download the YouTube app at the link provided in the video description. Till we meet again, goodbye.